For years I've been looking for a keyboard that has 8 red keys. Finally, I've found one. It's the Raptor Gaming LK1 gaming keyboard. You play video games with a keyboard? Well, how about this one? My favorite feature is that it features anti-ghost technology. Playing in a haunted house has never felt so comfortable. This is a nice looking keyboard from Raptor-Gaming.com with comfortable keys that lack that old school clicking sound. Kind of miss that, to be honest. And as you can see, the WASD controls and the directional keys are highlighted in bright red. Also, it matches the Raptor Gaming mouse nicely, so you can have a full collection of Raptor gaming gear. This is a USB keyboard, which gives you a lot of cable. As you can see, it's got the fabric coating on the outside, extra bendy, and it looks nice. Here's the underside of the keyboard, which has little rubber feet down here to prevent it from slipping, and you can fold these things out if you'd like to increase the angle at which the keyboard sits on your desk. On the whole, it's a nice looking keyboard, but as Raptor Gaming will tell you, it's more than just a pretty face. The Raptor Gaming LK1 has a long list of features. The back of the packaging has multiple languages, but we'll go over here to the English. Technical details. Compact and very slim, water-resistant structure. What about other beverages, like that massive gin and tonic that you always have while playing Minecraft? I think the main feature that it comes with, in addition to its attractive appearance, is this thing, which allows you to remove keys that may get in the way of your game. Just pop these out of here. Always hated that C key. Can't type cat without it. But who wants to type cat anyway? About time we got rid of that. Pull that out of there. Q? Who the hell uses a Q? Except Qbert. 2? Definitely don't want a 2. But we'll keep the 3. There we go. Now there's no way I could screw up and accidentally hit any of these keys. And that's what this thing is for. Then you can screw with people and put them back in the wrong order. Let's put the Q down there. Even though it's a nice keyboard for playing games and it's very comfortable, it's not a great keyboard for writing because the shift key is extremely small. If you're used to a keyboard with a larger shift key, this will drive you crazy. But I do like this feature. The feature that allows me to spell words on the keyboard out of the keys. Let's see. There we go. Sad W. And you know what's always bothered me about keyboards is the fact the F1 key isn't over here. And the X key should definitely be up here. Uh-oh, now I've done it. When rearranging my keys, I swapped out the F1 key where the cap locks used to be, and now I can't fit this in here where there's room. So, fortunately, they thought ahead and gave me a bunch of extra keys. In fact, these are the replacement keys if the red bothers you. So, that's good. I can spell some extra words with these now. We're gonna go with the double W. There we go. A double W configuration, just in case you need to type something quickly, like water wellin'. There you go, it's the Raptor Gaming LK1 gaming keyboard. Stylish, comfortable, and removable keys allowing you to make hidden messages or just get them out of the way so you don't accidentally shoot somebody when you mean to stab them. It's the LK1. Man, I'm one key short from modifying this to play my perfect game. What else can I spell that with? I'm hungry for bacon.